Welcome to Giggles the Toy Elf. We're doing another toy from Santa's Workshop in our Mighty Micros superhero Lego series that we're doing. This toy is Lego set 76062, Robin versus Bane. And you can see Bane is riding his driller car, and he's trying to throw a stick of dynamite at Robin. Robin is speeding towards him, trying to shoot Bane with his grappling hook. Let's open it up and see what it's all about. Okay, and we've got the Mighty Micros Lego set 76062 put together. DC Comics superheroes Bane and Robin. And the thing that I love about this set, look at these colors. Red, yellow. Robin is really sticking out. And here you can see he's holding his grappling hook. Unfortunately, a letdown of this set is that the grappling hook doesn't actually fire. So I was hoping that it'd be like a real action toy. And he's got his cape and the Robin mobile. So I really like those bright red, yellow colors on Robin. And here's Bane with his drilling machine. He just came out of a hole and he's ready to throw some dynamite at Robin. He's got a spotlight when he's digging through the earth. And some flames are shooting out of Bane's exhaust. And his machine is really cool too. I like the green with the orange. And let's take a closer look at Bane, looking evil as ever with his dynamite. And of course he's hardwired in the back. And Bane's got all big wheels on his digging machine. Robin has the typical small wheel, big wheel. Anyway, this set is really cool. Put these together with your other Mighty Micro sets. Once I get done doing the series with all of the superhero sets for Mighty Micros, we're going to put them all together and do a video on that. If you want to stay tuned for the speed build, I'm going to do a speed build right after this. Again, this toy is $9.99. You can pick them up at Walmart, Toys R Us, any stores. And for $10, you get 2 vehicles and 2 Lego figures. So it's really a good deal. Stay tuned for the speed build. Alright, on the second half of this video, we're going to do the speed build. Let's see it. Robin, with his silly face. And it's your standard original Robin costume. And here's Bane, looking evil as ever. And you can see he's hardwired in the back, the battery cell to his brain. Okay, and there you have it. We are finished with the speed build, and here's Bane's car. He's got a stick of dynamite ready to throw at Batman, and here's Robin with his grappling hook. Boom! thank you for watching the video. If you like our videos, please let us know. Comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Giggles the Toy Elf.